Hello everyone, I am Chalma Reddy. Welcome to CAR Maths class. In previous class, we are completed level 1, 36 problems. Now this is 37th question. Read the question. Coefficient of x power n in the expansion of 1 minus 2x plus 3x square minus 4x cube plus and so on infinite whole square. This is the question. 1 minus 2x plus 3x square minus 4x cube plus and so on up to infinite mean that is one formula. What is that? 1 plus x whole power minus 2. That is formula. And whole square. Overall, what we get, students? 1 plus x whole power minus 4. This is. Already we know the formula. What is that? 1 plus x whole power minus n formula. That is 1 minus n by 1 factorial into x plus n into, here n plus 1 or n minus 1? The power is negative. Here we get positive. The difference, remember it. N into n plus 1 by 2 factorial into x square plus or minus. This is minus. So third term, what we get? N into n plus 1, n plus 2 divided by 3 factorial into x cube plus and so on infinite. So previous problem how we are done. So that means 35th question how we are done following same method. Here they are asking x power n coefficient. Take that in place of n 1. Then we get coefficient of x. Coefficient of x. Students, here observe that coefficient of x. What we get? Here the power is 4. Coefficient of x, substitute here. Power is 4. Coefficient of x, what we get? Here different method. The power n and x power n, I think both are different. Okay, once see. What is coefficient of x? Tell me. Here n value is 4 by observing the formula. Okay, so here, okay, coefficient of x means we get minus 4 by 1 factorial. That value should be minus 4. That value should be minus 4. Here, coefficient of x, x means the power what? 1 only now. That's why I am taken n is equal to 1. These n both are two different. So here we are getting two n's. That's why n is equal to 4, n is equal to 1. Both are different. Okay. Now verify the options. First option. If n is equal to 1, what we get the answer? Tell me, students. If n is equal to 1, what we get the answer? 1, 2, 3 by 3 factorial. So that value should be 1. Second option, minus 1, 2, 3 by 3 factorial. 3 factorial means 6. That's answer is minus 1. So here first option wrong, second option also wrong. Go to the third option. If n is equal to 1 means numerator what we get? 2, 3, 4 divided by 3 factorial means 6. 3 factorial means 6. So 3 factorial 6 cancel. So we are getting 4. This is also wrong, but we want to get minus 4 now. So absolutely fourth option is correct. minus 1 whole power 1, that is minus 1 into 2, 3, 4 divided by 3 factorial. Overall, see the calculation, we get answer minus 4 only. So by verification method, we got fourth option. Students, are you understood now? X is small. Here read the condition very carefully. X is small and x square, x cube, x power 4, those are very small values. For suppose x is equal to 0.5. Then what about x square, students? 0.25. Then what about x cube? What about x cube? 0.125. So the power is increasing means the value also is going to decrease. Yes or no? Are you understood now? This concept, remember it. X is small, x square, x cube and higher power of x, those are also very small. Right. Now, see the question, what they are given? Under root x square plus 16 given. So I am writing 16 plus x square whole power 1 by 2 minus 9 plus x square whole power 1 by 2. First, this is convert into formula 1 plus x whole power p by q. Starting 1 we need now. So 16 take common. The power 1 by 2 is there. 16 power 1 by 2, that is 4. 1 plus x square by 16 whole power 1 by 2. Here also take 9 common. The power is 1 by 2. That means root. So we get outside 3. So 1 plus x square by 9 whole power 1 by 2. Here students observe that x is small means x square and higher power of x is very small values. Those values we can neglect, but which values we can neglect? See the options. X square term is there. More than x square, whatever is there, the terms can be neglected. First, write the formula. 4 into, this is in the form of 1 plus x whole power p by q. What is the formula? 1 plus, here p means 1, q means 2, x means x square by 6. P by 1 factorial into x by q. That means x square by 16 into 2 plus p into p minus q by 2 factorial into x square by 16 into 2. That means x by q whole square and so on, infinite. This is only first. Now same like that, expand the second one also. 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial into x square by 9 into 2 plus 1 into 1 minus 2 divided by 2 factorial into x square by 9 into 2 whole square and so on, infinite. So here x is small, x square also very small. Next term we are getting x power 4. Here x cube, x power 4 and higher power of x. Higher power of x. Power of x can be neglected. Why we are neglecting? Because those are very small values. That's why we are neglecting. This is the condition. Okay. So remaining terms I am going to write now. 4 into 1 plus See here these term x square by 32. So remaining terms we are neglected. Reason, very small values. That's it. 3 into 1 plus x square by 18. Now multiply these two, 4 plus 4 into x square by 32. 4 eights are 32. Cancel. Minus 3 minus 3 6 are 18. X square by 6. 4 minus 3 1 plus x square by 8 minus x square by 16. What is the LCM, students? What is the LCM? I think 24. If you don't know, follow the method. How to take the LCM? 2 4s are 2 3s are 3 4s are 12, 12 2s are 24 is the LCM. 24 is the LCM, right? 24. 8 3s are 24, 3x square minus 6 4s are 24, 4x square. Overall, observe students what we are getting 1 minus x square by 24. This is the answer. So which option correct? Second option. This model very important in MSET. Students, see the level 2 13th question. Coefficient of x power 24 in the expansion. Now see that 1 plus 3x plus 6x square plus 10x cube plus and so on up to infinite. This is formula. What is the formula? 1 minus x whole power minus 3 expansion, that is, okay? And whole power 2 by 3 is there. 2 by 3. 3 cancel. Now we get 1 minus x whole power minus 2. What is 1 minus x whole power minus 2 expansion? 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube plus, students, what they are asking? X power 24. So I am writing directly x power 24 coefficient. Here x power 24. In front of x power 24, what we get? What we get, tell me? Observe this. X cube coefficient, what is there? 3. X square coefficient, what is there? X square coefficient, 3. So the power, whatever is there, add 1, we get the coefficient. This is. So finally, what is coefficient of x power 24, students? Coefficient of x power 24 is 25. This is answer. 25. By observing the previous terms, I am written directly. Okay. So which option correct, students? Which option correct? Third option. If Sn denotes the sum of first n natural numbers, the sum of first n natural numbers. See the question what they are given. S1. S1 means only one natural number. S2 means sum of two natural numbers. S3 means sum of three natural numbers. Okay, and so on. Sn means sum of n natural numbers. Okay, are you understood, students? Now S1 value is how much? 1. S2 value 3. S3 value 6. Oh, observe this. S1 plus S2x plus S3x square plus and so on infinite. What is S1, students? 1. S2 3. S3 6. 1 plus 3x plus 6x square plus 10x cube and so on infinite. This is formula of 1 minus x whole power minus 3 or not? So which option correct? Third option. So Sn denotes the sum of first n natural numbers. S2 denotes sum of two natural numbers. S3 denotes sum of three natural numbers. So in that basis, so we are written values S1, S2, S3 and S4. So we are identified that is formula of 1 minus x whole power minus 3 only. Yes or no? Right. I'm going to next problem, students. 15th question in level 2. 1 by 1 minus 2x plus x square is equal to 1 plus b1x plus b2x square plus b3x cube and so on infinite. Then the value of b1 is, so this is very easy question. 1 by 1 minus 2x plus x square. Denominator part, observe that clearly it is perfect to square. That too 1 minus x whole square. Send it to numerator 1 minus x whole power minus 2. Students, expand this 1 plus 2x plus 3x square 4x cube and so on infinite. Already expansion given. What is that? 1 plus b1x plus b2x square plus b3x cube plus and so on infinite. This is already given. By comparing this, identify the answer. What they are asking? b1 value. What is b1, students? 2, b2, 3, b3, 4, like that. So these type of questions they will give in mains examination, that too numerical value type questions. Here they are asking only b1 value. Sometimes they will ask b2 plus b3 divided by b4, like that. Okay, finally b1 value is 2, second option correct.